That didn't work out quite the way I planned. If I can't see you, you can't see me.
Buckle.
Who did that?
I did. What are you saying?
Oh, of course it would be you, Ronald.
Buckle up your seatbelt. Let's buckle
Seatbelts, everyone!
Let's buckle you up.
I'm already buckled up. I don't understand. No pictures.
Not picture.
No.
It's recording, you dork.
I'm being assaulted physically and emotionally.
I'm not assaulting you this time. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. Why, hello, Harry.
Okay.
Come on over. Come on, Mama's lap.
None of this.
Come on, my lap? What are we?
You were talking to him, David. You were going to be on
Come here.
his lap.
You. Yes, you. Get into my car. Hey.
No.
Yes, you.
No.
Buckle up your seatbelt. You're going to come in my car.
Okay. Where's your car? Hey,
Session ended.
He ended it.
That's okay.
Somebody
Poop on you.
lean on me when you're
Oh, a new text message from Jesus. He says, we will have to see about that, smiley face. Oh, yeah. What are we seeing about?
About that snowball fight.
Oh, if by snowball
11-11.
fight you mean
11-11, make a
snowball.
wish.
Make a wish!
Gotta make it a legit.
And they are both wishing that their people in back of their shirts would marry them.
Well,
Actually,
yes.
no, I'm not.
Hold on. I'm gonna make a really big burp.
That wasn't big. That was like a medium-sized
That
one.
was like really good for me, because I never burp.
Neither do I. Well, I do, but only when people can't hear me.
So, anybody have a cigar around? I could just go.
You know, technically we all could buy a cigar if we really wanted to.
That's true.
Yeah, but I have to show ID, and I don't really have that.
We do.
That's right, you guys do! Why am I still wearing my hood?
I don't know.
Now, see, what happened?
I don't either.
What would happen if I all of a sudden just... Whoa, shnikes. Okay, what would happen if all of a sudden I would just go like this?
Callie, your face got prettier.
Okay. I'll just.
I mean, no. Your face has always been pretty.
I'll just.
Yeah.
I'll just total matte line.
Well, we can show him that, and he can learn.
Now, see, what happens if I would just put this up to the computer screen and be like, "Hi, I'm Callie." What would he
He
say?
knows what you look like, though. That'd be no fun.
See, look.
Your mouth isn't moving, though. You have to, like, cut out the lips.
What's with that voice?
What voice?
Is that your voice?
Oh. This is my Mountain Dew induced sugar high voice. When I drink Mountain Dew, I get stupider.
Guys,
See?
go to
'Cause-
Jupiter to
'cause-
get more
Cause stupider isn't even really a word.
Wait, what's over here?
It's more stupid.
Oh, don't punch me.
See, they're having a wrestling match right now. It's kind of fun.
No, where's my
I think Anna's winning, but I can't be too sure.
Just kidding.
Awkward is half the fun.
Oh my god. She pitched me. You don't want me. I was like, gonna fall.
I'm going to reenact the Twilight camera angles. Close up. Pan out. Spin around.
Awkward, and he's
Back to
like,
a close up.
I'm Bella.
Pan out. Spin the other way. And here we go again with the fighting. Well, we're getting a very nice view of Callie's backside. She just snorted.
Ready?
What are we doing?
You're not working with me, girl. You're supposed to move around the floor. You're not working.
Why is she moving around?
You're supposed to try to spin her. Ready?
Oh. This could get dangerous. Don't try this at home, folks. Only
There we go.
only we can try this at home because Anna's a trained professional. Sort of. Kind of. Okay, maybe not. Why is she looking at me like that? I don't like it.
I'm wiping your back off my face.
Anna, I don't like this.
Look what I have.
I don't like this. Take the camera back, Anna. I don't like it.
She's gonna look at you now. Whoa, that was really close.
Get closer.
I can touch my nose. What? See? That's cool. Can you guys do it?
No, I've tried multiple times.
Ready?
What are we doing now? Why does she what? Okay.
Here.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hit it, girls. That's the way,
I like it, That's the way, I like it,
Break the wall.
Let him fall.
Waterfall.
Let waterfall. You just think you know it all. You don't. I do. You don't. I do. So attitude as adjustment as if whatever. Get the picture. Duh.
No. Oh, how'd it go?
What? Get the picture?
Loser,
Double loser as if whatever. Get the picture. Duh.
That's
Yeah,
how
that
goes
thing.
goofball.
I don't know what just happened.
Ready?
What are we doing now?
Wait, I need...
Is it going to involve me doing something embarrassing? Okay, I might be comfortable with that.
Matt says we have this.
We should do a YouTube. We should do a YouTube video that's like the singles, or we should do something else with a really cool music video.
Music on.
Us and cool don't belong in the same sentence. What's going on?
I don't know.
See, watch.
At this moment in time, I am going to stick my middle finger up at the camera. You're not.
No, that's vulgar.
See?
That's not your middle finger.
I
That's your
know.
ring finger.
See? Put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring
I don't
on
think
it.
she knows the difference.
Whoa-oh.
That's entertaining.